Hey everybody, Big Rig Steve here with BigRigTravels.com. Today we're going to talk about the Hopcrew 6,000 amp jump starter. So let's go ahead and open this package up. By the way, they did mail this to us to give them a review. I like it when people give you a case, because then you can just take the case and, you know, throw it in your trunk or your back seat or whatever, and everything stays together. Unzip it. Let's take a look at what we got. You got your jumper cables with the little connector. You also have, this plugs into your DC, and I'll show you that in a minute. And then you can power any carport. You also get the USB charging cable and the charging brick. Then of course your instructions. Here you go. I like this. It's a nice handy little thing with a handle. Real light. We didn't peel this off. I guess we could peel this off now. Here's your display panel. Now we will show you how it jumps. Jump starts our big semi. Basically, there's your power button. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's pretty dim, but it does tell you your battery level in here, your charge level, 100%. This does have a light. Here's your light button there. Of course, you have your SOS and your strobe. So you could put this while you're changing your tire or whatever, help warn traffic. Down here, you have your little flap. It also has, here's your input and output, USB-C. So you can charge your phone with this. You also have a USB-A. Now this here, this USB-C is a 60 watts. So that'll do pretty quick. You also have your 12 volt DC here. And like I was showing you earlier, you could plug this in. And then you can, anything that you have that requires a 12 volt power plug, power port with that cigarette lighter. It's pretty simple. Here, this end is where you would plug in your 12 volt jump starter cables. And it is a nice firm fit. Here's the back. It does have the instructions. If you forget, this will tell you exactly how to hook your battery up. This does 12 volt up to 6,000 amps peak, 60 watt quick charge. I really like the nice little compact case that it's got. It's got a 32,000 milliamp, 118.4 watt hour battery for your phone or your tablet, so you can charge your tablet as well. Let's go give our truck a jump start. Okay, now we are here in the big rig. We have a completely dead battery. Okay, so plug this in. And it is kind of firm to get it up in there. Remember, on a big rig, the connectors for the batteries are located on the outside. Now, you see, it automatically came on and said ready. We're ready to go. So now let's see if we can't jump start this. Okay, it did not start right away. So we're gonna give it a couple minutes, couple seconds.
A few moments later.
a big rig. It took a couple of minutes for this to charge the battery up enough, but it did it. That's how powerful this is. This is the Hopcrew. Here's your display. Very, very nice item. I definitely like it. If you forget how to do it, here you go on the back. All right, BigRigTravels out. Make sure you get one of these links down below in the description box. Take care. Something I forgot to show you. You plug your phone up using a supplied USB cord. Open up this, and it automatically charges it. Show you this way. There you go. Now you can see. So it's a good way to charge. Get your truck jump started. Charge your phone, charge your tablet. You can charge all three at the same time. Your USB-C, your USB-A, and your DC. Nice. I like it.